Ooh, okay. So I'm seeing here that you guys have definitely been healing. I see a lot of healing, just the energy so far. And it's like you've been just working on yourself. You've been working on forgiving those that have wronged you. And it doesn't even have to be always about love. It could be friends, family, co-workers, whoever. And you're like, okay, I have to stand up more for myself. And that's what you guys have been doing. So it's like patience is needed because divine timing is still at play, and I definitely feel like for that it is in your love life, you know, because I am seeing that somebody's making plans to come back towards you because they're hoping that you're going to give them a chance, but you had some type of blockage in your connection with someone else. So someone was definitely in your person's ear, but your person wasn't standing up for themselves. Bottom of the deck, 5 of Wands. So somebody's definitely battling themselves as far as like trying to figure out what to do. But this could also be telling me that somebody's going through something. Like they could be arguing with someone else. And I feel like it's outside of you. So let's see. Yeah, there's been some type of conflict. I feel like with whoever I'm picking up on that wants to come back to make it right. Because they're trying to clear away obstacles to give you an offer. See what I'm saying? Somebody's coming back and they're coming back to give you a big offer, but right now they can't. They're trying to get out of some type of karmic cycle. They're still going through lessons, and it is pertaining to some type of home or family situation here. Tell me more. Yeah, this is why they can't move forward, because right now they are taking the steps to get out, but they can't get out just yet. You know, they can't move forward. So somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. I told you, there is some type of family situation that this person is trying to get out of. Ooh, I'm remembering y'all readings. See? This person definitely wants to have a new beginning with you, but they know that they hurt you. And this is why there's little to no communication right now between you and this other individual. Tell me more. See? But they choose you, Sagittarius. They want to come back and make things right. But right now, they're afraid that things may not improve. You know, maybe with their stability. This is your person. Look at the Emperor and the Empress. This is definitely your person. So, they want to make things right with you. Yeah, they want happiness with you. Clarify the Sun. But they know your guard is up with them. And this is why they're undecided as far as like how to come back towards you. Because they know that they're going to have to speak their truth. But they're back and forth with the Queen of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. So, sorry you guys. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But I feel like this person, they don't know if you've 100% cut them off or if you're going to give them a chance to hear them out. You know, because you had to cut them off. I told you, it's like you had to do what you had to do. You had to stand up for yourself because this person was in a codependent situation. But I'm saying they want to give you an offer here. And it's a small offer to start over. But yeah, they're coming out of being frustrated and they're going to take a leap. This person's coming back in. But they are frustrated that they lost you for good. Okay. See, they're sad. This person is upset with themselves. Because, see, they're back and forth with making this decision. They don't know how you feel. You know, because they want to come back and make it right. But they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. And that's why they're stuck. Because, see, this person stabbed you in the back one too many times. This person really hurt you. Ooh, that was a 4 of Cups. See, it was balanced. I'm telling you, this person wants to come back and give you an offer, but they're unsure what you're going to say. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. So it's like they will have the strength to come back, but right now, yeah, they're afraid things aren't going to improve if they give you this love offer. See, they feel like they're not going to have this new start with you. And that's why they're dragging their feet, because it's like they want to turn things around, but they feel like you don't want to be in a commitment with them anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but I'm telling you, there is some type of family situation going on. Whether you have a family with them or they have a family, or it's some type of family situation that's going on their side. But anyway, so right now they're kind of focusing on them, but yeah, you're going to get this offer. But they feel like they're not going to be able to balance it out, see? This person sees you as marriage material. Maybe somebody's in some type of, like, business contract, or somebody's married. Somebody's in some type of situation with someone else, and this is why they can't come forward. See, even the Hierophant just tried to jump out. So, is that the Justice card behind? It sure is. So, you see what I'm saying? I just said somebody's in a commitment or somebody's married, and they're trying to get out of it. Or this could even be like some type of business dealing. You just get what I'm saying? Like there's something going on, I feel like legally, that's holding this person with them. See, look, oh my God. Didn't I tell y'all they're getting out of it? Somebody's getting out of this third party situation. Some type of family situation. I told you they're walking away. Somebody's getting ready to break free from some type of situation that's been holding on, that they've been holding on to. But they're over here trying to make a decision about what to do. And it's like, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but they're losing hope when it comes to you. And they know that they're going to have to tell you the truth. Yep, and they're trying their best not to constantly think about what they did, because see, it haunts them. I'm getting this energy like they're like, oh my God, I'm so stupid. Why did I do this? Or why did I say this? Or, you know, it's like they're having a hard time. They're beating themselves up. You know what? Sagittarius, I told y'all before, there was black magic here. And you see, I went past spell work. Spell work could have been involved, but I heard straight magic. You see this? What was it, like 2 months ago? I told y'all. Whoever I've been picking up on, this is the issue. They couldn't get out of a situation because somebody was doing some type of spell work or magic on them, but I just heard magic. The thing is, they got out of it. This person broke out of it, and they're realizing they don't want you to cut them off. Man, they had to fight. There was an entity around them. They had to fight. Do you hear me? To make this change, because see, in the past they were being sneaky, and that's why they've been struggling coming towards you. But yeah, oh my God, yeah, somebody's coming, y'all. They're going to give you an apology. They're going to tell you they want to start over with you. They want a new opportunity with you. Look at that. They're planning. This person's coming towards you, Sagittarius. Ooh. But this person's upset because they feel like they lost you. And they could have lost out financially speaking as well. But see, look how that's balancing. I told you, they want to give you an offer, but they're afraid that you're not going to take it because they were being immature and childish towards you. But yeah, there was magic going on. And they want to start over and build with you, but they're like, man, I don't know if he or she wants to do it. See, whatever toxic situation that they were in, it did affect their finances. Justice is being served. So, however this person treated you, oh, they've been going through it, and I feel like they're still going through it. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Libra. But they're going to get out of their head. I feel like there's been a fight when it comes to assets, money, you know. And, yeah, see, they're trying to get out of some type of contract that they were in. And they want to say something to you, but they're scared. This person can't sleep. Oh, this is getting good. Let me see. Yep, they're going to get out of that energy. They're coming towards you, but see, right now they're not listening to their intuition because they're having a hard time. They're starting to realize all of the BS that they put you through. Because remember, for whoever I'm talking to, there was spell work and or magic. For some of y'all, it was spell work. For a majority of y'all, I'm telling you, there was magic involved. And it clouded their judgment. Now that they basically broken out of that, they're sitting back looking at old text messages. You know, replaying conversations that the two of you have had in their mind, and they're like, oh my God, like, I cannot believe I really said this. I cannot believe I did this. You know, they're having a hard time right now. See, because they had you waiting. They had you waiting around, and now it's like they're wanting to come out of that energy, but see, they're still moving slow. This is going to take some time. They're coming back, but this is going to take some time. See, look at that. Worth waiting for. And then there's the death card. They're going through a transformation. Basically, this is why Spirit is saying patience is needed, because they have to put an end to a situation that somebody was controlling them. Let's just keep it 100. They got to get out of it, but it's going to take some time because they done got themselves involved in something legal. Like I told you guys, somebody could be married. It could be like a long-term commitment, and now they have assets and things involved. Somebody could have purchased a home with someone else, or now they have a family. You get what I'm saying? It could be anything because there's a lot of y'all. But yeah, they got to put an end to it. I'm going to skip signs. Sorry. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But see, I told you, they're dragging their feet right now. They know who they want to be with, and it's you. But they have to get this other situation under control. And this is why it's still taking their time. They're taking their time. Could be dealing with a Taurus. But you see where the Hierophant originally landed? This is definitely a twin flame connection that I'm talking to. Somebody's a twin. And see, they've been over here juggling, trying to figure out what to do with this third party. You know, they were juggling in the past and they broke your heart and they left you out in the cold, but they want to make it right. See, they don't have a peace of mind about how things have been playing out. And right now, their focus is on their money. They're trying to get themselves together financially speaking before they come back. See, even where that landed, you see the king and the queen of wands? Didn't I tell you? This is a twin flame. I'm talking to a twin right here. I'm talking to a twin. But see, they look at you like you're positive, you're passionate, you've been focusing on yourself, you've been getting your business off the ground, you've been doing whatever you got to do, just working on you, and you're doing very well. But see, they feel like by the time they come back, you're not taking that offer. You're not going to take it. That's why they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. See, back and forth if you're going to even take this offer. They feel like they don't even deserve you. But see, they're going to have a victory with you. This is what they want. I'm told y'all. Let's see. Let me give y'all some advice. Okay, Spirit. So when it comes to Sagittarius, what advice do you have for Sagittarius, please? What advice do you have for Sagittarius? Top 20 cards. Sagittarius. Okay, you have the Two of Swords at the bottom of the deck, which is letting me know that you guys made a decision. Y'all ain't talking to this person, okay? You're like, nope, if we don't talk, that's on them. I'm not reaching out. I'm not saying anything. See? And you're out of your head. You're like, you know what? I'm no longer overthinking this. I'm no longer overplaying it. But see, Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition. The Strength card came out reverse. So it's telling me, it's like, you guys, y'all are tired. Let's just keep it 100. Y'all are tired. You're annoyed. And you're like, you know what? I don't have the strength to keep dealing with this connection. Like, I understand the connection. I know what it is, but I'm tired. Like, why do I have to go through all of this? But see, you're like, I want to put an end to it. There's got to be somebody else out there that, you know, can love me for me. I don't have to go through all this nonsense. But this was a part of your journey. You guys had to go through this. See, but you can't stop thinking about what took place in the past, even though you know you're supposed to have a future with this person. See, but you're back and forth with the world. It's like you want to have this new opportunity, but at the same time, you're like, I'm tired. So Spirit is saying they want you to be confident, but you guys are like, nope, I don't want to build with this person. I don't see myself having a family with this person. And yeah, I'm not putting in the work, okay? But you're back and forth with the Ace of Swords. So they're saying there's a new opportunity coming in for you, but you guys are like, I haven't talked to this person. I haven't heard from them. But you're getting ready to. Because, see, you guys have just been, like I said, you've been focusing on yourself. You've just been clearing away these obstacles. You're coming out of that energy of feeling sad, having regret. And you're moving on. Because you're like, you know what? This other individual, they don't talk. I'm tired of him or her going in and out of my life. I'm tired of them playing games with me. But you see how I have two kings here? See, if another man or woman has not come into your life, you're going to meet someone else. And you're like, you know what? I'm ready to give this other person a chance because this person that I know I'm supposed to be with, they've been playing games. They don't communicate. They don't show me how they feel. They keep going back and forth between me and this other person. Why do I want to keep going back and forth with this connection? They're immature. Oh, you guys have options. There are 3 different men here. You have 3 different men. Yeah. So I'm going to be honest with you. It could be a situation to where you guys, your person, I feel like I said, I'm talking to a twin here. So your person is doing them or whatever. They're trying to get themselves together. And if you haven't met someone, you have someone coming in, but I'm going to tell you it's a lesson. So either you've already gone through this or you're getting ready to, because I'm picking up 2 different groups. So what's going to happen is you have a soulmate coming in, and it's a good soulmate, but the thing is, this person's going through something kind of similar to your twin or whatever. For some of y'all, it might not be a twin. This might be a soulmate. So let me just say that. Because regardless of whatever the connection is, everybody had to go through some type of lesson. But anyway, this new person that's coming in, they're your soulmate, but it's something very similar that they're going through. So your angels are trying to see, okay, how are you going to handle this? You went through this situation with your twin or your soulmate, and we want to see, are you going to put your foot down? Are you looking at the red flags? Are you listening to your gut? What are you going to do? And if you basically put your foot down and not accept that offer because they weren't offering you anything, you're like, you know what, all right, boom. You cut that person off. You continue moving forward. Now the person that's confident, the good soulmate is coming in, and it has the other person shaking in their boots because they're going to have, you got to make a decision between two. And they know it. See what I'm saying? See? It's like, you're like, I don't know if I want to walk away. Let me get 5 more. Okay. But I see that I told you, you've been healing. You're coming out of feeling like, okay, this person stabbed me in the back. I'm over it. But see, Page of Swords, you're keeping an eye out on this person. So you check on this person here and there. Let's keep it 100. Some of y'all do, okay? Because now you're realizing the truth. So whether that's you receiving dreams or it's me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm telling you guys what's going on. But you're like, I don't see things turning around. Okay? But there's the Chariot. You're moving forward. I can't leave y'all like that. That's a cliffhanger. Hold on. Tell me about the Chariot. 5 more. You're moving on because this person is they're taking their time. They're taking too long coming back. Yeah, you guys let this go. Okay? You removed yourself from this third party situation. You're coming out of being frustrated. Yeah, because they're taking too long. But they're saying they need you to listen to your intuition. Oh, this is a cliffhanger. Sagittarius, this is going to be very interesting. But yeah, you guys have options coming in. But this person, they're getting ready to make their way back. They're just trying to wrap up this other situation first. So please, y'all, leave me some comments. Let me know how this resonates. My personal readings are currently closed. I need to go through my emails from last month first before I accept any new ones. So once I do that, I definitely will make an announcement. So be on the lookout for those community posts. I'm trying to think. Anything else? Yeah, this is interesting. I told y'all before black magic was involved. I told you. So, yeah. But leave me some comments for real. Like, let's just see how this plays out. But, yeah, this is going to be good. Let's see how July is looking. Okay, guys, y'all know that I love each and every one of you. So, please stay safe during this time. And, yeah, I'll be back for July, okay? Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.